what's up to Nona World? Hi everybody, what's up to Nona World?
Okay, what are we doing today?
You got the OG toy.
Okay, what are we gonna do with the toys?
Do today a world.
Good, we're gonna see if it sinks or floats. Are you ready?
Ready?
Alright. Okay, what's the first toy we have? It's a...
Let's do it.
Do you think the Ecuador is gonna sink or float?
Whoa.
It's gonna float? Okay, let's see. And it's floating. Alright. Okay, it's floating. Now the next one, it's a...
Toy.
And the car...
It's safe.
It's sank. Alright, next, what's that?
Wee.
That's a little leaf for the fishy. Oh wait, you think it's gonna sink or float?
Thing.
It's gonna sink?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ah, no, it floats. It's floating. Alright, so next one we have it. Is it gonna sink or is it gonna float?
Whoa.
Let's see. I think it's gonna sink. You're right. It's floating.
Wee.
Whoa. The next one we have it's
To meet the pony.
My Little Pony. Wait, do you think My Little Pony is going to sink or float?
Thing.
Sink? Let's see. Ah, it's floating. It's floating.
Now,
Okay.
we have the ball.
I think the ball is going to sink. What do you think?
You don't think.
Sink? All right. And because it's heavy, it's sank. All right. What's the next one do we have here?
How do we do
We
it?
have a what? Let me see. Ooh, cool dinosaur. Okay, do you think that dinosaur's going to sink or float?
It thing.
Okay, it sinks. All right, next one.
Do it.
Let me see. Do you think that's going to sink or
Yeah.
float?
Whoa. Oh, it thing. Oh, it full. Wee.
It's floating. All right.
Piggy.
I think the piggy's going to float.
Two. What do you mean, Piggy?
I think they're both going to float. Let's see.
Oh, it did.
Whoa. Was that a pteranodon?
Yeah.
And he sank and the piggy is still floating.
What do you mean? Wee.
That's floating. Next one, what is that?
Harry boy.
Is it going to sink or float?
Whoa.
I think it's going to sink. Wow. And it's actually floating.
Yeah.
It's so heavy, I thought it would sink. Okay. The next thing we have, let's see.
It's two.
And do you think that one is going to sink or float?
Whoa.
Float. And it is floating.
Choo choo. Daddy, mommy, it's a way. Choo choo.
Whoa. Let's see, what other toys do we have?
Water.
Oh, what's that?
It's the water.
Oh, I think that's going to float. Let's see.
The apple.
And it is floating. Next we have...
Oh, Ducky.
We have a ducky. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the ducky. I think the ducky's going to float. It's going to float. There you go. And it is floating. Whoa.
Yeah.
All right, so next one we have... Ooh, should do the airplane next too. All right, let's see. Wait, one at a time. One at a time. Do you think, what do you think that's going to sink or that's going to float? The ambulance. The ambulance is going to sink?
Yeah.
Let's see. I think it's going to float. And it's floating.
Whee! A big ball.
It is floating. Whoa. All right, so let's see what's the next thing that we have. We had to take away some of the toys because it was getting too flooded in there. So now let's see. The next one you have, what's that?
It's a toe.
It's a teacup. Do you think it's going to sink or float?
think.
It's going to sink. Let's see. Ah, the teacup is floating. And what color is the teacup?
Pink.
It's pink. Good job. All right, the next thing we have, it's a toy cell phone. Wait, do you think that's going to sink or that's going to float?
Whoa.
It's going to float? I said sink.
Oh.
Let's see. You're right. It is floating because it has low density. All right, so let's see the next one.
Yeah.
What's that?
I think we're doing.
Sink or float?
Whoa. I need the boat.
Okay. And it's floating. You're right. Good. What's the next one? Next we have a T-Rex monster truck. It's going to sink or float?
It didn't. Whoa.
It's going to float? Okay, let's see. I think so too. And it is floating. It did not go all the way at the bottom with the other toys. Whoa. Look at all those floating toys. The next one we have, it's another pteranodon. All right, let's see. I think it's going to sink. What do you say? It's going to float?
Yeah.
I think it's going to sink. And the reason why I said that is because there's another pteranodon that also sunk.
We have the ball.
Next one, we have the ball. What do you think, the ball's going to sink or is going to float?
It's the ball.
It's going to float?
Yeah.
Let's see. You're right. Give me a high five. Awesome. All right, next one we have
I made the wire.
another truck. Do you think that's going to sink or float?
I think it. Whoa.
It's going to float? I say it's going to. You're right. It's floating.
Mommy.
It did not sink like the other ones.
Wee.
All right, let's see. What else do we have?
We have. Oh,
We have the fishy thingy.
Mommy.
Right. Okay, do you think that's going to sink or float?
I think it. Whoa.
I said sink.
Oh.
Let's see. Yeah, I was right. I was right. It's
Whoa.
okay. What's the next one? Do we have?
Piggy.
Let me see. What's that? You said a piggy?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a colorful piggy. Sink or float?
I think it's whoa.
I said float too. And you're right. Whoa.
Oh, it's big.
Okay, the next one.
We have. Oh, wait a minute.
We have another piggy.
Oh.
What color is that piggy?
Orange.
It looks yellow.
Oh.
All right, ready? I think it's going to float. Let's see. And it is floating.
Right.
And last one, what do we have? What's that?
It's the airplane.
It's another airplane.
Mommy,
Yeah.
what it think?
The plane is going to sink?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I say it's going to float. Because it's so light. It's floating. All right, so let's wait. Before you put any more toys in there, we got to take out the one that's already there, okay? All right, you ready? Okay. So we could make some space.
Wee.
Let's
See,
see.
the boat it think.
Well, when we do it, I believe this big toy is going to sink because it's so big. It's so big.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay.
And it's sinking. Wait a minute. It's floating.
Wow.
No way it is floating. It's floating.
You're right, Mom.
Whoa, I really thought it was going to sink. All right, let's get the next toy.
Oh,
We have a heavy truck. What do you say, sink or float?
Whoa.
I said sink. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wow, it's really floating.
Yeah.
It's really floating. That's amazing. Next one we have is
And superhero.
it's a action figure. You ready? I sink or float?
Whoa.
It's going to float.
Yeah.
And you're right. Have you done this before, sir?
Yeah. We have
The next one we have another dinosaur. Sink or float?
You do it whoa.
It's going to float. I believe you. And it didn't. This did not float. Whoa. All right, next one we have is, what's that?
It's a ducky.
It's a cute little ducky. Let me see the cute little ducky. All right, so put it in. And it's floating
Whee!
just like the others.
Oh, wait. It's floating.
It's still floating. I think, can I see something? And maybe if we put more water in it, it will. It didn't flow because it didn't have no water in it. And once I put the water in it, it added more pressure. That's going to sink.
Okay, are you ready?
What do you think it's going to float or sink?
You do it whoa.
It's going to float? Okay, I say sink. Let's see. You're right. Yeah, you're 100% right. Good job. All right, let's see. Next one. We have, what's that?
It's a wall.
Legos. Those are Legos. Do you think the Legos going to sink or float?
I don't think.
Sink?
Yeah.
Let's see. I said float.
So, what?
And it's floating. I was right.
You're right, mommy.
Okay, next one we have is,
It's a doggy.
it's a doggy. The dog is going to float or sink?
It's doing whoa. It's
Float? Okay, I think float too. Go ahead. Let's see. And it is floating, like we said.
Wow.
Okay.
Next.
Next one we have.
Bubble.
You ready to see if that's going to sink or float? I say that's going to sink.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
And go. Woo!
It didn't sink. It's actually floating. It's actually floating. That's amazing. That's going to sink because it's not light. You think it's going to sink or float?
Ding.
Because of the type of material, I also say sink. Let's see. And pop goes the weasel.
Oh, it is. It's
Whoa. It sank right to the bottom.
So, Mickey, it's doing thing?
I think the Mickey's going to float.
Oh, you're
Because
right.
it's just a stuffed animal. You ready?
Ready.
Let's see. And I was right. It is floating.
Huh?
Mickey is floating. All right, so the next one, let's use one at a time. Let's just take one. Okay, good. Do you think that's going to sink or float?
I don't. Whoa.
I said float too. See, it didn't go anywhere. Just one. Put it down. Let's get the last two toys. We got two toys left. Let's see. We got two things left. Do you think the ducky's going to sink or float?
Oh!
Oh, it's okay. You dropped it in. It's okay. It's floating. We got one more thing. Are you ready? The last and final object. I believe that's going to sink right to the bottom. And it is the paint bottle.
Okay.
All right, wait. Before you go, count down.
1, 2, 3, go.
And down it goes. You got splashed. And the paint right to the bottom.
Mommy,
Whoa.
that's a big splash.
That was a big splash.
Mommy,
Yes?
what do that?
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
No more splash. But I think it was cool that we find all the toys that actually sink and float.
Whee!
That's amazing.
Oh, no. That's
Let's see another splash. You ready?
very...
Uh-oh, that didn't splash. That didn't splash. It's not splashing. Not splashing. Let's throw all the toys in there. Uh-oh, I missed. All the toys. All the toys. Help you. Whoa, look at all that toys. And it's a great activity because you get to wash your toys. Whoa. Oh, I got one more. And it is an airplane. Okay. Whoa, look at all those toys. Look at that. Yes?
That piece is really too big.
It's okay. You can leave Mickey there. Leave Mickey there. Because it's so wet. It might make a big mess. Whoa, look at all those toys. We have...
Mommy, there's a big white water.
It's okay.
Help me. I think that. Oh, I flew. Whee!
Whoa.
Mommy, I know. I'll be down. Oh, the wet. Mommy, fly off. Oh my God. There's the water in the box.